bananas and cinnamon can help you sleep. Life moves faster with each passing day. Never-ending work days mean that many people end up taking work home. Fortunately, many have realized the importance of taking care of themselves. They've learned to set aside some time each day for their own health. The problem is that when it comes time to sleep, we still have high levels of stress. As you probably already know, stress definitely doesn't help you sleep. That's why it's important to remember that food not only affects our shape, it also affects all of our body's internal functions. This means that there are products that relax us and others that energize us. Because of this, we recommend including the former in your diet, especially in the evening. Today, we want to talk to you about bananas and cinnamon. Bananas and cinnamon have gotten a lot of negative attention. In part, this is due to their sweet flavor. This appetizing flavor makes us think of both the fruit and the spice as foods that make us gain weight. As a result, many take them out of our diet. However, that's making a big mistake. Believe it or not, cinnamon can help us get rid of fat. Meanwhile, bananas help us to activate our muscles to help them when we work out. How bananas can help us sleep. You've probably seen tennis players eating bananas between matches. The reason is because of their magnesium and potassium. These minerals prevent cramping and provide the body with energy. The magnesium and potassium found in bananas prevent spasms while practicing a difficult sport. This is because they eliminate muscle tension. However, their benefits go much farther than that. They also regulate blood pressure and eliminate harmful substances that accumulate in your body. If that wasn't enough, it also encourages the production of serotonin and melatonin. These are fundamental substances for sleep. They also produce pleasure and sleepiness. Serotonin and melatonin are great substances to have in our bodies. When they are present, they start to diminish the presence of cortisol and with it, anxiety. All of this makes bananas a great ally in getting deep sleep. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy addition, we suggest combining a banana with cinnamon. How cinnamon aids sleep. Believe it or not, cinnamon is ideal to get rid of sugar present in foods. This makes it a perfect companion for bananas. Also, it eases digestion, which is very helpful in getting sleep. After all, if you have a heavy stomach or suffer from heartburn, it's almost impossible to sleep. To add to this, cinnamon helps circulation and regulates blood pressure. This helps us to relax easier. As you can see, this spice increases the effects of bananas. It also counters the negative effects of bananas at the same time. So, you can eat bananas with cinnamon without fear of gaining weight or diabetes. Remember, doctors recommend eating cinnamon to treat diabetes, coronary, and vascular problems. Let's look at some delicious recipes with these two healthy ingredients. Bananas and cinnamon tea. This is a very easy recipe. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, depending on your taste. 1 quart of water. Preparation: put water on to boil in a saucepan while preparing the rest of the ingredients. Leave the peel on the banana. Wash it as well as possible to remove any of the products it has been treated with. Cut off both tips of the banana. Put it in the boiling water with the peel on. Let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and strain the mixture. Add the amount of cinnamon you have chosen. Thanks to this simple process, this tea made from bananas and cinnamon will come in handy for getting deep sleep. It's best if you drink it 1 hour before going to bed. Pair it with a relaxing activity. In a little bit of time you'll notice its effects. You will be able to start your day with the energy you need. Want to give it a shot? Tell us how it worked for you.